yesterday you had to do some reading for that part of the test?
Yes.
Fill in the circles?
Yes.
Today you have to listen very, very well. Because I'm going to jump from one part to the next, to the next. I'm going to do contractions, I'm going to do compound words, I'm going to do vowels, I'm going to do blends. So I'm going to keep changing the rules. So what's your job?
To listen.
To listen. I'm going to give you your test. With the assessment pieces that we're using today, it not only tells us how the children are doing, it informs our teaching. It tells us in which direction to go. Because not all children learn the same way. And some children need a little extra help somewhere, and some don't need a little extra help. I want you to look at number 1. I want you to find the word that has the same beginning sound as shirt. Find the word that has the same beginning sound. We take informal and formal assessment, and that guides us into where we're going with our teaching. And it also helps us to group children in terms of their needs. I want you to do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Go find that stop sign after 12. Put your finger on it. Find that stop sign after 12. And then I want you to stop there. You're going to look at the word. You have to read the word by yourself. And then you're going to find the word that has the same vowel sound as the underlined vowel. We're really focused on assessment and looking at it in depth. In depth, I mean we're looking at each word the child is reading. I'm going to do some informal running records. Who enjoys me doing it? I know everybody wants me to do it. Okay. I'm going to try to fit in as many. Kevin, I did from then. Gerard, no name. I'm going to try to fit in as many as I can. But I want to tell you that this is a story about someone that doesn't know how to read. And when we're doing a running record, we listen to every word the child says. And we tick off what the child is saying while they're reading. When we go back and assess that piece, we may find information that's crucial.
Come in, Terry says. Miss Owen, I've been waiting for you. Yummy cookies, Miss Owen, says Terry. You're a good cook.
Nice job. Some of the most important insights that I have gained from using assessments of all natures, whether it be formal, informal, or the portfolios that we use with the children in our classroom, is that they not only inform my teaching, they inform the children's growth. Kevin, these are some writing pieces that you have done since you came into this classroom. Look at them all. Let's take a look at an earlier writing. Okay? Would you read that to me?
My favorite thing.
I allow the students to look through their portfolios and let them see where they began, what happened in the middle, and where they are now toward the end of the school year.
I am always intact. I like to get someone now. I like to get someone. Now they are it.
What do you notice about the last sentence?
That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense. Okay. When the children are previewing their portfolios, they can actually pick out the mistakes that they made when they first came to second grade. They can actually look at a reading piece and say, I like this story better. They can pick out grammatical errors. They can pick out spelling errors. They're the ones that find themselves looking and critiquing their own work, finding out how far they've come and the growth that they've made, and they can comment on that. This was done in September. Tell me the difference with the printing.
This is good than this.
You think this is better than that? Tell me something else about this. Let's take a look at how many pages you have here. 2 pages. You think this is a longer story?
No, because they both got 2
You think that
equal.
both have 2 pages, or you think one's better?
No, these one's better because they got 3 pages.
This is a much longer story. So do you think that you have grown? Do you think you're doing a better job now than you did before, than when you came in? I want them to be part of the assessment piece. I want them to be part of their education. I want them to share with me and their parents how far they've come. This helps children to feel really good about themselves, and it helps foster self-esteem. The more they see that they can do it, the better they come at.